We have been reasonably successful this morning. We have managed to edge the bathroom. And the lighting is a little better in here now, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about when I talk about how messed up the wall is. This smooth part is wallpaper glue or Elmer's, which is what we think it is. Like there's a swath of it down there too. These pieces look like they're rough, but they're actually pretty smooth because we have sanded those out. But these wallpaper glue bits or Elmer's glue bits are really not doing us any favors. So we have edged everything. I've filled some holes. I wasn't too careful because we're going to put more curtains up. And the other thing I did was actually take care of this shower. All along here, along the edge, it was actually drywall mudded in place, which isn't surprising if you had seen our windows. So I went ahead and I removed the drywall mud from all around the shower edge, and I'm going to actually caulk that. But I can actually show you our windows. And if you look in here, I mean, that's all just drywall mud. Who decides to drywall mud in windows? I don't know, but they are drywall mudded in, and so in the living room, I actually scraped all the drywall mud off and caulked the windows all the way around, and it looks drastically better, and so that is something that's going to happen in here. But now my husband is going to roll. He is in charge of the roller, and so hopefully next time you see the bathroom, we will have painted walls. Even if it looks gross and it's not how we want it to be, it's still going to be worlds better. Still going to be worlds better than it was. And we'll be able to put hardware up and all that stuff, at least till we decide what we really want to do with this place. Okay, so we have a coat of paint on the walls. Definitely a vast improvement. Oh, he forgot to paint over the shower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So my husband thought he was done, but whoops. There's one more spot that he needs to get. But I wanted to show you. So we have these antique brass, Kingston brass knobs, faucet. I found these on Amazon. That's for the teepee, and that's for our hand towels. And then since we have a window above the vanity, we're gonna actually put a pretty good sized mirror across from there. You should get some pretty good light so you'll be able to put makeup on and all that stuff, and it'll be out of the way. Really looking forward to getting this place ready to go, just so it's a little more livable in this house.